Hello, first grade mathematicians. I'm Miss Tribbett and I'm a first grade teacher at Lyon School, and I'm so excited to be doing some geometry learning with you today. So hopefully last week you got to explore some 2D shapes standing for two-dimensional, and today we're going to review a little bit about which attributes are defining attributes and which attributes are non-defining attributes, meaning doesn't matter, doesn't change what the shape is. Okay, so first I'm going to show you a shape, and I'm wondering, what shape is this? Yeah, it's a triangle. But how do we know that it's a triangle? I'm going to switch an attribute and tell me what you think. Is it still a triangle? Yeah, it's just an orange triangle. So the color is not a defining attribute. Okay, so we can change the color, and it doesn't change what the shape is. Bye-bye, color. Okay, how about this one? It's so tiny. Is it still a triangle? Yeah, it's just a small triangle. Okay, so the size does not change what shape it is. Bye, size. How about this one? Oh, it's got little pretty flowers all over it. It can't still be a triangle with all those designs, can it? Yeah, it can. Patterns and designs are not a defining attribute. Bye, pattern. What if I take this triangle and I do this? Yeah. Is it still a triangle? What about this? Now it's facing this way. Is it still a triangle? Yeah, the direction that the shape is facing doesn't change what shape it is. It's a non-defining attribute. What are the defining attributes of a shape? This is my little handy dandy clipboard puzzle box here. And if we're looking and you're saying this is a triangle, how do you know? Well, one defining attribute is how many sides it has. So we can count here and see how many sides are on this triangle. 1, 2, 3. So to be a triangle, you have to have 3 sides, always. Okay. Another defining attribute are the vertices. Vertices, okay. And vertices is our fancy word for corners, or sometimes people even call them angles. Corners, angles, those are the same thing. It's just a different way to talk about it. Oh, my marker. Let me show you with my marker. So when we're saying the corner, it's talking about like how these two sides meet there, okay? When we're talking about the vertex, it's the point where the two sides meet. And then when we're talking about the angle, it's this part that's measured between where the two sides meet. So kind of all fancy math terms, but we're gonna refer to them as vertices. Now, one more thing I wanna tell you about that is that when there's just one, it's called a vertex. But when there's more than one, they're called vertices. Okay, so a triangle, a defining attribute is that it has 3 vertices.